Fabrizio did not configure the domain in the single sign-on (SSO) configuration for the WebSphere application server during setup. Which of the following options is true if he does not specify the domain name in the SSO configuration? Option A. SSO is then open to all the application servers in the domain. Option B. The web browser defaults the domain name to the host name where the web application is running. Option C. Each domain presented is compared with the host name of the HTTP request until the first match is located. Option D. The application server uses all the information after the first period, from left to right, for the domain names. The correct answer is option B. For connections to support SSL capabilities, which of the following steps must you complete to configure the IBM HTTP server for SSL traffic? Option A. You must edit the Lotus Connections config.xml file to include the path to the SSL certificate. Option B. You must add the WebSphere application server SSL certificate to IBM HTTP Server's Trust Store. Option C. You must add the IBM HTTP server to the Connections cluster so that they can share the certificate. Option D. You must configure J2C authentication on all the nodes in the Connections environment to share the same certificate. The correct answer is option B. You have been asked to change the background of the application from the default blue to dark gray. What's the best way to do this task? Option A. Modify the CSS files for each module. Option B. Create a blank CSS called custom.css and place in a common customization folder. Option C. Create a blank CSS, link to it from header.html, and overwrite styles there. Option D. Copy the CSS files for each module to the HTTP server and modify them there. The correct answer is option B. When adding the Community Business Card to your web application, an AJAX proxy is required. What purpose does this proxy serve? Option A. Improved performance. Option B. Avoids cross-domain security issues. Option C. Enables the use of custom CSS in your community card. Option D. Allows users to see private communities' business cards. The correct answer is option B.